Hey, you finish your homework, come clean the bathroom. Come and know when you come from school. That not
Already cleaned the bathroom.
bathtub.
Washed it.
You come clean out the fridge. Because I know.
Yeah, I did that already. I even threw away the spoiled food.
China cabinet, if it does off, take one bucket and put some fab in it.
I did notice the dust. So, I cleaned all the china. Soap and rag.
Okay, so everything in there just spick and span. Give me your report card. Because I know say you hide it from me.
I got all A's. Here you go.
Give me this. So I fight you and come fight me and I'm